Hey yo, DJ Frass, I'm hearing about your album, Road to Success. The key is success answers all questions. Love is the key and love is the answer, and that's the road to success. So DJ Frass, bless up. It's DJ Khaled, bless up. They don't want us to win, so we're gonna win more.
Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome to another Carib Fusion video. DJ Frass has been promoting his project Road to Success. Yesterday on his Instagram he posted this picture, and then underneath it he said, "They think I'm joking. This is not a joke. Can't wait to tell the world who I was on the phone with." Some day I wonder who him on the phone with, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? And then recently, again yesterday I should say, he put up a picture of him and Alkaline, as you can see running in the background right now, of one of the songs. Now he said that Alkaline will be the one who will be kickstarting the project. So his single will be the first one off the album, and then the others will lead out behind him. So he hasn't really said who is on the album, but you can kind of have a guess and think who would actually be on the album. Obviously, I think Mavado would definitely be there. Taurus Riley, maybe Shaggy. I think if he had Shaggy on there and Sean Paul, that would definitely give it a boost as well as far as the international market is concerned. But they're very tight-lipped about what is going on. And I know a lot of people are saying, you know, don't you know when this album's going to be dropping or anything like that? The answer is, I don't know. I have no idea. I'm here waiting just like everybody else. But from what I'm seeing, a lot of people I think they think it's Alkaline's album, but it's actually a project from DJ Frass himself. It's his project, and I think it's something similar to what DJ Khaled is doing. So, you know, DJ Khaled is the DJ, so is DJ Frass, and he has a mixture of people on his project. For me still, you know, including the people that I mentioned earlier in the video, like Mavado, you know, like Taurus Riley, maybe Alkaline or Jamil. I would like to see some of the younger artists, so, you know, Shensia, and I would love to see some good collaborations. That's one of the things we don't really get in dancehall. A man only put on him artists or him artist friend them, but, you know, want to see some proper, like, good collaboration, you know. I would love to see that, but to me, it's clear that, you know, what the aim is. I think they're gunning for a Grammy, and I hope they get it. And, you know, if you're having maybe 14 people on the album, one of the songs then must hit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm intrigued to see how this works. You know what I'm saying? Rags to riches. I would love to see how it goes. I said before, DJ Frass is no stranger to a Grammy. He already won one, but that was with reggae. So let's see if this album is a mixture between dancehall and reggae. And to be fair, you're more likely to get a Grammy with reggae music than you are with dancehall music. The difference between dancehall and reggae, though, is reggae takes a longer time to mature, but it lasts longer. Dancehall is very disposable, and it's only few dancehall artists whose music can really sustain and stay, and you can have a song out for a month, 2 months, 3 months, and people are not bored of it yet. Only a few people in dancehall can do that. The album itself is getting a lot of attention, as you can see from the video in the beginning with DJ Khaled, you know, shouting out DJ Frass about this album. You can see that it's getting some attention. Hopefully, you know, what they do is market it. You know, you see how DJ Khaled's been marketing his thing. You can't go on Instagram and don't see a post about it. You know, you're seeing sponsored ads by him and so forth. So I hope they do the same so that the album have the best chance, you know, because even if the album's good, if it's not promoted, people just will not buy it. So hopefully then promote the thing properly, and I know they're trying to build up anticipation now, but hopefully they really start to plug the audience and like, look, you need to buy this. They need to make a statement, I think. So hopefully them do that. Anyway, that is it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll speak with you guys soon. Later. Bye.